We had an incredible weekend exploring the stunning Ozarks here in north central Arkansas. Our good friends from Texas visited, so we decided to take them on a hike to Stem Rock. Stem Rock offers an easy 1.5-mile round-trip trail that leads to breathtaking views. The trail's end features large, beautiful rock formations, making it a perfect spot for both casual hikers and nature enthusiasts. Along the way, our friend educated us on antlions, which was fascinating since we had never seen them before. He showed us how they create small pits to trap their prey.